Today, I've got a $15 USB microphone with the sound card included in the USB. What's up guys, Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. And today, I've got a nice budget microphone that you can use when recording videos or audio on your computer. It's USB, so it'll plug and fit with any USB 2.0, 3.0. The really cool thing about this microphone is it has an included sound card, so you won't have to worry if your PC doesn't have a sound card. I think it's going to be really useful for a lot of you guys. I know a lot of you streamers out there, a lot of you YouTubers out there, and you don't have a quality mic, but maybe don't have the money to spend. The best thing, guys, is this thing's going for $15. So what we're going to do is we're going to run some tests, and we'll see how this thing actually works and see if it's worth your money. So we're going to test out this Fifine USB microphone with included sound card. You can find this microphone for around $15. So we have here the microphone, and the cable is nice and long, guys. Clip it right on your shirt. You can tuck it through your shirt and then plug it right into the front of your PC. Alright guys, so I'm really liking the quality of this right here. The USB is a little bit large, but you have to remember that this has a sound card in it right here. And there's also a headphone jack right here. Also the lavalier clip. This is awesome because it's metal right here, so I don't have to worry about it snapping. Also it clips very tight, so see right there. You won't have to worry about it slipping that much. For $15, I'm very impressed with the quality of this.
So I'm here using the K053 USB microphone, and I'm going to walk you through quickly if you want to be able to monitor your audio through the headphones that you're using. Take your cursor down here to your sound settings, and you're going to right click the little sound icon. And you're going to click on sounds right here. Okay, so what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to click recording, and it should be set up as your default device once you just plug it in. If it's not, automatically you can set default and apply, but mine is already applied, so we're going to click on it, and you're going to go to listen. And if you want to be able to hear yourself, you're going to have to press apply. I'm not going to do it because I'm recording a video right now, but then you're going to want to go to playback. So you want to make sure that you've clicked USB PNP so you can hear the audio coming from the microphone and from the desktop. So after you've done that, you want to hit apply and OK. Going to open Audacity. This is a free program right here, and it's very valuable if you want to record any audio, and it's also, like I said, free. So definitely just type in Audacity on Google and you'll be able to find this program. So right here is the selection for your microphone. You'll see the icon right there, and you want to change it to the PNP USB. And then right here we have the speakers, which are going to also come through the headphones, so I can hear it through the headphones. And that's what basically all you need to do. And what we're going to do is do a quick audio test. Okay guys, I'm here recording audio on the lavalier microphone by Fifine. You can find this product on Amazon for around $15. So if you're looking to get a little bit better audio quality, this might be just the product you need. Okay, so that was just a quick sample of the audio, and we're gonna see what it sounds like. Okay guys, I'm here recording audio on the lavalier microphone by Fifine. You can find this product on Amazon for around $15. So if you're looking to get a little bit better audio quality, this might be just the product you need. Okay, so I think that sounds pretty good. Now one thing that I want to do is I would like to compare it to my Blue Yeti microphone, and what we're going to do is we're just going to record another little sample, but I'm going to change the microphone to Blue Yeti. Okay, testing, 1 2 1 2. Coming to you loud and clear from the Blue Yeti Blackout. Now, simple audio test. I know this microphone is a little bit more expensive, and it also takes up a lot of space. So this tiny little microphone, we're going to compare the audio quality. Okay? Now, as you can see, it does pick up a little more audio, but this microphone is very large compared to this little tiny one. So first we'll listen to the Blue Yeti. Testing, testing, 1 2 1 2. Coming to you loud and clear from the Blue Yeti Blackout. Now, simple audio test. Okay, we got a little bit of clipping going on at the end there. Now let's listen to this one. Okay guys, I'm here recording audio on the lavalier microphone by Fifine. You can find this product on Amazon for around $15. So if you're looking to get a little bit better audio quality, this might be just the product you need. So it did pick up a little bit of background noise. It is a cardioid microphone, meaning you're going to speak to the front of it. And I think it does a great job for $15. If you're a gamer or a streamer or a YouTuber and you record audio on your computer, this is a great buy. And I think it works really well. So definitely, if you have this microphone, let me know what you think. And remember, you can follow me on social media at PizzlesTechTime. And I'm here for you. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. Alrighty then, I'll holler at y'all guys later. Peace.